Best deals.
1. Steamer. Boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Durable stainless steel build, food grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base, volume markings, 1.2 meters cord with cord winder, and copper wire conductor for efficient functionality. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Pan. This pan comes pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, ensuring long-lasting durability and effortless maintenance. With the extra thick base of this frying pan, say farewell to burnt or stuck food, its superior heat distribution ensures flawless results every time. The heat-proof glass lid features a food-grade silicone rim for a secure fit and added convenience. Crafted with pressure die-cast technology, this frying pan offers the perfect balance of strength, even heating, and lightweight handling. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Curd maker. Premium materials that protect your family and your budget. Food-grade stainless steel interior ensures no plastic contact with your fermenting yogurt, safe for your family every single batch. Dual seal lathe system locks in freshness and prevents contamination during 6 to 8 hour fermentation. Fresh homemade yogurt contains exponentially more beneficial gut bacteria than store-bought varieties, supporting your family's immune system against seasonal illnesses. Good bacteria help reduce bloating, improve nutrient absorption, and support regular digestion, especially important for growing children and your own wellness. Each bowl works naturally to strengthen gut health, helping your family feel better from the inside out. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Spice jars. Comes with 48 blank labels and a chalk marker, so you can label every jar and find exactly what you need at a glance, no more guessing games while cooking. The funnel specially designed for spice makes it easier to add new spices to your empty spice bottles. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cookware. The absence of any chemical will ensure that there is no release of any toxic or harmful fumes during cooking. The induction base with smaller perforation boosts faster cooking while helping you have lower electricity consumption on induction cooktops. Shatter-resistant tempered glass lid, extra durable tempered glass lid, allows you to monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid, thus keeping the flavor and moisture in. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Paniyaram pan. Patented titanium-infused enamel coating offers superior durability, enhanced stick resistance, and a lasting finish that stands up to everyday use. Works on gas, induction, ceramic, electric stoves. Even heat distribution, ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. Cook safely without any harmful chemicals. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Oil sprayer. Features with exterior non-toxic and safe coating to prevent exposure to sunlight, with no coating on the interior to ensure safe, pure oil storage, keeping olive oil fresh and reducing the risk of spoilage. Spray bottle for cooking offers the convenience of both spraying and pouring oil, suitable for a wide range of food preparation processes such as salad dressing, griddle, roasting, grilling. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Lunch box. Is designed with a convenient collapsible handle, making it easy for kids to carry. Its slim stainless steel body fits comfortably into any bag, ensuring a hassle-free and stylish lunchtime. The lunch box features lids with integrated gaskets, preventing spills and messes in your child's bag. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the smart design, making it an ideal lunch box for school. The inclusion of partitions allows your child to carry more than one dish in each container, making it perfect for kids who prefer a variety of food options in their tiffin box. The lunch box includes heat protective finger grips for safe handling, ensuring your child's hands are protected from hot contents. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Portable blender. Powered with 6 precision stainless steel blades, this blender efficiently handles fruits, vegetables, protein shakes, and even ice. It delivers smooth, consistent textures in seconds, making it perfect for daily nutrition. Blend, smoothie, and crush modes let you control texture and consistency with ease. Whether you are preparing soft fruit blends or crushing ice, each mode is optimized for reliable and efficient performance. Equipped with modern USB Type-C charging, the blender offers convenient and versatile power options. Easily charge it using power banks, laptops, or standard adapters, ensuring it is always ready when you need it. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Electric kettle. Ensures rapid heating, boiling water in minutes for your tea, coffee, or quick meals. Its high power delivers efficiency, saving time without compromising on performance. This high-quality material preserves the purity and taste of your water, ideal for families, group gatherings, or preparing multiple cups of tea. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Frying pan. Honeycomb hybrid surface combines non-stick convenience with stainless steel toughness that is layered with 304 food-grade safe stainless steel at the top plus aluminum core plus 430 induction-friendly stainless steel at the bottom ensures quick, even heating and lasting durability. It's scratch-resistant, coating-free, metal spatula safe and requires very minimal oil. Versatile cooking ideal for frying, curries, gravies, stir fries and deep frying on induction or gas stoves. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Square mop. Are designed for maximum flexibility, it easily reaches under furniture, along edges, and into corners for complete, dust-free cleaning. The scraping teeth on the bucket easily remove hair and debris from the mop, eliminating the need to clean dirt with your hands. The highly absorbent microfiber mop head efficiently captures dust, dirt, and hairs perfect for pet owners and busy households. High-speed spinning action removes excess water quickly, allowing you to control the mop's moisture level for effective and customized cleaning. Equipped with an injection port for easy water or detergent refill, and an outlet for quick, mess-free drainage, no more handling dirty water. Crafted with premium materials in a stainless steel rod without added weight, includes long-lasting microfiber pads for extended use. Advanced dual-tank system with smart split technology, keeps clean and dirty water in separate chambers, ensuring every mop uses only fresh water. Never mop with dirty water again. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Organizer. This pull-out cabinet organizer requires minimal drilling for a secure and lasting fit. Simply follow the included instructions for a quick and sturdy setup in your cabinet. Built with a durable damping guide rail, this pull-out cabinet organizer glides smoothly and quietly, withstanding up to 40,000 cycles for dependable performance. Perfect for organizing kitchen, pantry, or bathroom items, the slide-out drawer keeps everything neatly contained and easy to reach. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Lunch box. Made from premium food-grade stainless steel, ensuring meals remain free from harmful toxins, chemicals, and contaminants for a healthier dining experience. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this lunchbox resists rust, corrosion, and wear, offering reliable performance for years. Equipped with an advanced locking mechanism and a silicone ring under the lid, preventing spills and keeping food fresh. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Citrus press juicer. Equipped with efficient two-way rotation and multiple cone sizes, extracts more juice from both small and large citrus fruits with minimal effort. Adjustable pulp control lets you enjoy smooth or pulpy juice, just the way you like it. This lightweight juicer comes with removable parts for quick cleaning and convenient everyday use. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Pepper grinder. Powered by a built-in 500 mAh lithium battery and USB Type-C charging, the Instacupper salt and pepper grinder set delivers smooth, consistent grinds at the press of a button, no more wrist strain from manual twisting and no disposable batteries to replace. A precision-engineered ceramic burr handles sea salt, Himalayan pink salt, black peppercorns, and other dry spices with consistent precision, staying sharp far longer than steel blades and never imparting a metallic aftertaste, while the durable 201-grade stainless steel body resists rust, scratches, and the daily wear of a busy kitchen. The single button, push-to-grind design lets the motor do all the work while you cook, plate, and serve with one hand free for the pan. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Egg pan. Perfect for frying multiple eggs or pancakes simultaneously, ensuring even cooking and beautifully shaped results every time. Ideal for making omelets, bacon, burgers, dumplings, and more. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. Designed for comfort and safety, the wooden handle stays cool to the touch, providing a secure grip for easy handling. Special non-stick coating ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Sponge mop. Designed to simplify daily cleaning tasks effortlessly. This 3-in-1 mop offers mopping, wiping, and brushing solutions in a single tool. With easily replaceable sponge heads and an extendable handle, it's versatile and convenient. Suitable for all floor types, walls, glass, and bathroom surfaces, this mop is the all-in-one solution you've been searching for. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Towel rack. Made from sturdy, rust-resistant metal for long-lasting use in humid bathroom environments. Wall-mounted design saves floor space while keeping towels and essentials neatly organized and within reach. 5 multi-purpose hooks, ideal for hanging towels, robes, loofahs, clothes, or bathroom accessories. Modern and minimal style, sleek design complements most bathroom decor styles. Easy installation, simple wall mount setup, perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or laundry rooms. Made from premium quality aluminum, this bathroom shelf is waterproof, rust-resistant, and built for long-lasting use. Ideal as bathroom storage rack or kitchen shelf for spices, bottles, and daily utility items. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Cloth brush. Has an ergonomic handle, providing a secure and comfortable grip, allowing you to effortlessly scrub and remove dirt and stains from clothes without straining your hand. This cloth washing brush is simple to disassemble and refill. Open the rubber pad to fill the liquid storage tank with detergent, press the top to dispense the detergent, allowing you to control the amount used and save on detergent for more efficient cleaning. Perfect for cleaning clothes, dishes, shoes, pots, pans, kitchen surfaces, bathtubs, and tiles. It offers a single-piece set for all your cleaning needs. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Saucepan. Toughened heat-proof glass lid, easy to see food while cooking and when eating at the table. Unique curved body, for easy stirring of difficult dishes. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Kneader. 650 watts power ensures quick and efficient performance as an atta maker machine for home use. 3F stainless steel bowl provides enough capacity to prepare dough for family-sized meals, making it the perfect flour kneading machine. 15-minute timer for automatic operation, providing consistent results with every use as a reliable atta kneader and dough maker machine. Designed as an electric atta gutne machine, it effectively kneads a variety of doughs with minimal effort. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Apron. Enjoy a tailored fit with the adjustable back waist strap, making this apron perfect for men and women of all sizes. Ideal for cooking, cleaning, gardening, and more, this apron is a practical choice for any activity that requires reliable protection. Shield yourself from spills and splashes with high-quality TPU material, ensuring a clean and mess-free cooking experience. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Drying rack. Extends to almost twice its size to hold more items when needed. Integrated plug can be set to trap water for draining later. Raised ribs prevent water being trapped under glasses and bowls and sloping base channels water towards draining spout. Non-scratch draining prongs which can be easily removed for cleaning. Includes movable cutlery drainer. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Silicone holder are designed to help protect your hands while handling hot cookware, baking trays, pans, and serving dishes. The heat-resistant material provides a reliable grip for everyday kitchen cooking and baking tasks. Featuring a textured non-slip silicone grip, these silicone hot pot holder provide improved control when lifting hot pots, pans, baking dishes, air fryer baskets, and cookware, helping reduce slipping during use. Made from high-quality food-grade silicone, these silicone handles for cast iron tawa are flexible, durable, easy to clean, and designed for repeated everyday use in home kitchens and baking environments. Suitable for handling hot pots, pans, casserole dishes, oven trays, microwave containers. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Containers. Crafted from premium-grade stainless steel, the Masala Box for Kitchen is a durable and corrosion-resistant solution for your spice storage needs. With 130 milliliters, each container features a see-through lid for easy identification of spices, ensuring you have the perfect masala dabba for your kitchen endeavors. With multiple compartments, the steel spice box for kitchen allows you to organize a variety of spices, keeping them fresh and within reach while cooking. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Organizer. Designed with flexibility in mind, the storage box features adjustable compartments that can be easily repositioned or removed to suit your needs. Whether you are organizing bulky comforters, folded clothes, shoes, or smaller accessories, the dividers let you create custom-sized sections to keep everything neat, separate, and easy to access. Crafted from high-quality, non-woven fabric, the storage box offers superior durability and long-term protection for your belongings. The tightly woven material acts as a shield against dust, dirt, and moisture, keeping your blankets, clothes, and shoes clean and fresh even during long-term storage. The fabric is tear-resistant, breathable, and reinforced to handle everyday use without losing shape or strength. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Chopper. Use it as a blender, juicer, atta kneader, vegetable slicer, chopper, and dry grinder. Whether you are preparing smoothies, kneading dough, chopping veggies, or grinding spices, this all-in-one appliance does it all with professional precision, making it the ultimate companion for every home chef. With its robust 800-watt copper motor, the Easy Prep tackles everything from soft fruits to tough dough effortlessly. Designed for long-lasting durability, the motor ensures high-speed processing and consistent output. Whether you're whisking, slicing, or grinding, this processor delivers powerful and efficient performance every time. Built-in overheat safety protection ensures the device automatically shuts off if it gets too hot, adding an extra layer of safety. 7 specialized attachments for precision cooking. Get perfect results with a wide range of interchangeable blades and tools, including slicing disc, French fries blade, shredding, chopping blade, atta kneading, whisking and 1.4L processing bowl. Every attachment is engineered for accuracy and convenience, making meal prep faster and more enjoyable. 2-speed control with pulse function for total flexibility. Take full control of your recipes with 2-speed settings and a pulse mode. Use low speed for soft ingredients like dough or creams, high speed for tougher items like nuts or carrots, and pulse mode for quick bursts of power, perfect for tasks like precision chopping or mixing. Stylish, durable and compact design with premium build, crafted by INALSA and designed in collaboration with Taurus Group Spain, this food processor combines performance with aesthetics. The sleek black housing, ergonomic control knob, and sturdy construction reflect modern style and reliable build quality. Its compact size ensures it fits easily in most kitchens, while still offering high capacity and power. Enhanced user safety, anti-slip base and safety lock mechanism. Your safety is a top priority. The processor includes an anti-slip base to prevent movement during use and a safety interlock system that ensures the motor only runs when all components are securely locked into place. This ensures accident-free, stable operation, especially during high-speed processing. Product link is given in the 28th link.